Have you ever wondered why some people seem to look younger as they age while others appear older than they really are? The answer often lies in simple hair mistakes that can easily be fixed with the right adjustments. Keeping your hair long without shaping it. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to maintain long hair as they age is neglecting to shape it properly. Long hair can look beautiful, but without layers or the right structure, it can become weighed down and flat and make you look older than you actually are. Over time, unshaped, long hair can bring out your facial features in ways that might not be as flattering. In fact, you may end up looking like your grandma's 30-something-year-old broom without even realizing it. The key is to add some layers or gentle angles to your hair. This adds volume and movement, helping to lift the face and accentuate your best features, giving you a youthful, vibrant look. If you want to keep length, make sure that your stylist is shaping your hair to complement your face shape and style. Choosing the wrong pixie cut. Next up, pixie cuts can be a fun and youthful option, but choosing the wrong one for your face shape can have the exact opposite effect. When going for a short pixie cut, it's important to think about the structure of your face and hair texture. A pixie cut that's too short or has too much volume on top can emphasize things like a long face or certain angles that may not be flattering. Instead, try a pixie that softens your facial features. Ask your stylist to focus on creating balance by keeping the sides more textured and the top slightly longer, or add some wispy bangs to break up the face shape and frame it better. Overly heavy bangs or the wrong bang length. Now let's talk about bangs. Bangs can be a total game changer, but when they're too heavy or cut at the wrong length, they can add years to your face. Short, straight across bangs can hide your eyes, and too long of a fringe can weigh down your face. The fix? Soft, textured bangs that work with your natural hair texture, not against it. If you have a fuller face or feel like your forehead is a little larger than you'd like, I recommend angled or side-swept bangs. These styles help create balance and draw attention away from problem areas, making your face appear more sculpted. Monotone color without dimension. We can't talk about hair without mentioning color. If you've let your hair go gray or you're not doing anything with your natural color, it might be time for a change. Grey hair tends to look very flat and can make us look washed out if there's no dimension. Adding a little depth or subtle highlights can give your hair more life, even if you're staying away from full-on color. Lowlights or balayage are great options. They add dimension and texture without much maintenance, and they can actually make your hair look thicker and healthier. Neglecting how nutrition affects your hair health. As we age, nutrition plays a huge role in the health and appearance of our hair. Many people focus on external treatments, but what you're eating or not eating can greatly impact your hair's texture and shine. For example, a diet lacking essential nutrients like biotin, omega-3 fatty acids, and iron can lead to hair thinning, dryness, or lackluster color. In fact, certain stages of life like menopause can cause significant changes in hair texture due to hormonal shifts. To keep your hair looking youthful, it's essential to fuel your body with the right vitamins and minerals. A well-balanced diet can make all the difference, giving you hair that looks fuller, shinier, and more vibrant. Do you take supplements? If yes, what do you take? Let's talk in the comments. Overuse of heat styling tools. While heat styling tools like flat irons, curling irons, and blow dryers can help create the perfect look, overusing them can lead to significant damage, especially as we age. Excessive heat can strip your hair of its natural moisture, leaving it dry, brittle, and more prone to breakage. Over time, this damage can make your hair look dull and lifeless, which can add years to your appearance. To maintain healthy, youthful hair, it's important to limit the use of heat styling tools and always apply a heat protectant before styling. Go for air drying whenever possible, and explore heat-free styling methods like braiding or using rollers to give your hair a break while still achieving great looks. Choosing too many layers or too few layers. Finding the right amount of layers for your hair can be tricky, but getting it wrong can impact the overall shape and volume of your hairstyle. Too many layers can make hair look thin and wispy, while too few layers can result in a heavy, flat look. As we get older, layers can help add volume, texture, and movement to the hair, which in turn enhances the face's natural features. For most face shapes, a few strategically placed layers can help frame the face and create a more youthful appearance. Talk to your stylist about the best layering technique for your hair texture and face shape to maintain the ideal balance of volume and movement. Letting your hair color fade. Moving on, as time goes by, it's natural for hair color to fade, but letting it go too long without a touch-up can make you appear older. Whether it's the growth of grey roots or a dulling of the color, faded hair can diminish your overall look. Maintaining your hair color is extremely important for keeping your hairstyle vibrant and youthful. If you're trying to cover greys, go for a shade that complements your natural color and is easier to maintain. If you want to go for a more natural look, think about adding highlights or lowlights to blend greys and add dimension to your hair. Regular touch-ups can make a huge difference in keeping your hair looking fresh and youthful. Using harsh hair products. Also, using the wrong hair products, especially ones that contain harsh chemicals, can do more harm than good. Many traditional shampoos, conditioners, and styling products contain sulfates, parabens, and alcohol, which can strip your hair of essential oils, leaving it dry and damaged. As we age, our hair becomes more delicate, so it's important to choose products that nourish and protect rather than damage. Go for sulfate-free shampoos, moisturizing conditioners, and nourishing serums that promote healthy hair growth and add shine. A little extra care with the products you use can go a long way in maintaining the strength and luster of your hair. Using the wrong hairbrush. Now, in case you didn't know, the type of hairbrush you use can also have a big impact on the health and appearance of your hair. Many people are unaware that using the wrong type of brush can cause unnecessary breakage and frizz, especially when dealing with aging hair. A fine-toothed comb or a hard-bristled brush can pull and tug at your strands, which then leads to split ends and weak hair. Instead, use a wide-toothed comb or a brush with soft bristles to gently detangle your hair without causing damage. This small change can help minimize breakage and keep your hair looking smooth and youthful. Not protecting your hair from the sun. Just like your skin, your hair can suffer from sun damage. Long exposure to UV rays can weaken the hair shaft and cause it to become dry, brittle, and discolored. The sun can also lead to premature graying or fading of hair color, which will then make it look dull and lackluster. To protect your hair from UV damage, try wearing a hat when spending time in the sun or using hair products that contain UV filters. Many hairsprays, serums, and conditioners offer added sun protection to shield your hair from harmful rays. Taking these simple precautions can help preserve the health and vibrancy of your hair as you age. Overcomplicating your hairstyle. And as we age, less can be more when it comes to hairstyling. Trying to maintain overly complicated hairstyles or detailed updos can often backfire and make your hair look messy or weighed down. Too much product or excessive styling can also lead to a tired, aged appearance. Embrace simplicity with a flattering cut that requires minimal effort. A chic bob, a polished lob, or soft waves can instantly refresh your look without needing excessive styling. Keeping your hair routine easy and low maintenance can help you look more youthful and put together. Ignoring your scalp health. Your scalp also plays a very important role in maintaining the health and vitality of your hair, but it's often neglected in regular hair care routines. As we age, the scalp can become drier or oilier, which impacts hair growth and texture. If you're not properly taking care of your scalp, it can lead to hair thinning or an unhealthy look. To maintain a healthy scalp, incorporate gentle scalp massages into your routine, use scalp treatments, and make sure your shampoo is suitable for your scalp type. A healthy scalp means healthier, more vibrant hair, which contributes to a youthful look. Sticking to the same hairstyle for too long. Now, one of the easiest ways to make yourself look older is to stick to the same hairstyle for decades. While it's tempting to keep things the same, as we age, our hair changes in texture, thickness, and even color. So it's essential to adapt your style to suit these changes. An old hairstyle can make you look stuck in time, whereas updating your look can instantly bring you back to your time. If you're not sure where to start, try a slight change in length, adding layers, or adjusting your part to suit your face shape. Don't be afraid to experiment with fresh styles that reflect your personality and make you feel confident. A small tweak can make a world of difference in how you look. Ignoring your hair's texture changes. Last but not least, let's talk texture. As you age, your hair may naturally change in texture. It can become finer, coarser, or even curlier in some cases. Many people ignore these changes and continue styling their hair as they did when they were younger. This can cause frustration and lead to hairstyles that don't flatter the new texture of their hair. Understanding and embracing your hair's new texture is key to choosing the right style and products. For example, if your hair has become finer, using volumizing products and switching to a more suitable cut can help you regain fullness. If you have curly hair, experiment with defining products to enhance your natural curl pattern. Paying attention to your hair's evolving texture makes sure it always looks its best. Ignoring the importance of hydration. Last but not least, hydration is essential for maintaining youthful hair, but it's easy to overlook, especially in colder weather or in dry environments. Dry hair can look dull, brittle, and lifeless, all of which can make you look way older than you actually are. It's important to use moisturizing shampoos and conditioners that are formulated to hydrate and nourish your hair. Deep conditioning treatments once a week can add extra moisture and restore softness and shine. Drinking plenty of water and avoiding overwashing can also help keep your hair hydrated from the inside out. Keeping your hair moisturized is one of the simplest ways to maintain its youthful look and feel.